Can anyone learn drifting with the simulator? Here are the stuff you'll need. 1 or 3 monitor screens with headphones. Steering wheel with a rig. Leg pedals. Handbrake. Gear lever. PC with good graphics card and processor. With the right training equipment, guidance, and lots of practice, anyone can become a drift pro.
Jengjengjeng! Hello everyone, I'm Leona Chin, Malaysian motorsports athlete. Guess where am I? I'm at Androidking. And I choose Androidking as my choice of simulator equipment because it is cheap and affordable.
Hey Leona,
Hi!
you drift very good, but I can teach you to be better.
Oh, okay. Hi everyone! Here we have Jai Androidking. So tell us about yourself.
Hello everyone, I am Jai Androidking. I'm a professional race car driver and also drifter. And I also do pro sim racing.
Oh.
So I'm very passionate in motorsports. So now I'm bringing motorsports experience and sell racing simulator equipment.
Wow! So what kind of racing simulator equipment do you sell?
So actually here at Androidking, we are a one-stop center for racing simulator products. So we sell a racing simulator rig, racing steering, pedal, handbrake, button box, monitor stand, PC, you just name it, we have everything here.
Wow, that's so cool. You can get everything here. No need to go here and there and
That's right.
everywhere and buy. I heard it is very expensive to set up a simulator like this. Is it?
Actually not at all. You can set your own racing simulator for as low as RM 2,500 ringgit.
Wow!
If you want to know how, you can come here and I will show you.
So where is your shop and how do we buy it?
You can get our racing simulator products through our online Shopee, Facebook page. We can ship to you, and you also can come to our showroom in Keramat, Kuala Lumpur.
Wow, that's so cool. So guys, please follow him, Androidking Malaysia, on their Facebook, Instagram. Start your racing simulator career now with him.
Yes, alright. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Choose Androidking, choice of champions.
Jeng jeng jeng.